What the what? This is a bad loot.
Why are you shouting?
Oh, nice car, baby.
You got me wrong.
This is unfair. I lose again. I lose again. I lose every time. Whenever I don't lose every time because I always win. I don't care. I lose. I die. Everything's not more series, son. Victory!
Victory! Victory!
Well, this is a bad motorcycle,
yo.
Well, this is a bad car.
Oh, nice loot. Oh, nice motorcycle.
Nani?
Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another
Crown series.
I'm sorry, I'm and today I'm gonna play Crown series again because you want me to make another videos, aren't you? I don't know. Because Crown series is my series, PUBG series, and I hope I get to crown. Yeah. Okay, we can knock that guy out. I'm gonna play PUBG Mobile because I love PUBG Mobile and you know, this is just a little recording that. Okay, guys, I don't know how to record a real video, so I'm just gonna show you something really super cool. And I don't know if it's super cool because I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. And
I don't know what to do because big.
Okay, I don't know if this is super loud.
Today I'm gonna. I don't know what to do today. I just don't know what to do, so I don't.
Hello.
I'm gonna show you how to. Someone was super loud. I don't know. I can say it again, guy. I'm gonna. What am I gonna do? Oh yeah, I'm gonna do this. And slowly, through there, will actually make the loudest knock ever.
Okay, let me do it.
I mean, not the loudest, but the sitting
Okay,
to do it.
let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, guys, that's so
Cool.
Okay,
Oh,
let's
that's
just do it.
good.
Everything is fine.
This is a little freaking baby. It's just so. Wow.
Victory! What the what? This is a bad loot. Well, this is a bad motorcycle,
yo.
Well, this is a bad car.
Why are you shouting?
Why are you shouting? Special thanks to my friend LIONEL, aka flantor, for making these awesome sound effects. Link in the description for his channel.